if you're experiencing issues with WhatsApp not working on Windows 11, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step process to troubleshoot and fix the problem. So let's dive right in. Alright, the first thing you should check is if your WhatsApp app is up to date. Updates often fix bugs and improve performance. Here's how you can check for updates. Open the Microsoft Store. Once you're in the Microsoft Store, click on the three dot and select Downloads and Updates. So if there's an update available, simply update it. Sometimes an update might solve your issue. If updating doesn't work, don't worry, there are other things you can try. Next, let's try resetting the WhatsApp app. Press the Windows key and select Settings. Now go to Apps and select Installed Apps. Scroll down to find WhatsApp and choose Advanced Options. In the Advanced Options, scroll down and click Repair. And that's all there is to it. Resetting the app can help if it's having trouble connecting or if there are issues with its data.